In between different techniques and muscle areas, you can always fall back towards the basic technique to cover the whole back. Doing so ensures that the massage stays continuous. Interruptions disrupt relaxation and the smooth flow of the massage. Now we're going to shift our focus from the lower back up towards the middle and upper back muscles. Continuing along the same path as before, we now aim to apply pressure to the muscle tissue on both sides of the spine, using our fingertips to press down firmly. If your nails are too long, adjust your technique by flattening your fingertips against the back to prevent discomfort and scratching. Take your time to really push down into the muscles, ensuring caution to avoid applying pressure to the shoulder blades. Pay close attention to audio or visual cues from the massage recipient to ensure their continued comfort, particularly when applying significant pressure. To increase the pressure, stack one hand on top of the other and focus on one side before repeating the process on the other side. By leaning forward and exerting your body weight into the movement, you can apply more pressure without straining your upper body unnecessarily. Allowing your hands to move in a continuous, flowing motion is also beneficial for the upper back muscles. This technique is gentler and perfect for promoting relaxation. Additionally, it's important to massage the lateral back muscles, situated on the sides, to address the entire back effectively. The thumb circles, which we previously used on the lower back, can also be used to massage the upper back. To do so, simply continue to move on up towards the shoulders.